We'll guide you through how to check your Facebook video watch history. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways in which you can go and check your video watch history on Facebook, and the option you will choose will depend upon what you want to do with those watched videos. Whether you want to go and watch them again and replay them, or if you want to go and delete that history, whether it's one video or all of them. So make sure you watch this full video so you can decide what you want to do. So to get started with this first method, you need to go to the bottom right of Facebook, or in some cases it will be the top right, and press the menu button. Once you're here, you can go and scroll down, find the option for settings and privacy, tap on to expand it and press settings at the top. Next, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for your activity, and in there you'll go and find activity log, which you can then go and tap on. Now here you need to go and find your Facebook activity and you can go and tap on it to expand it. You can scroll down and in posts, you can then go and press manage posts, go and wait for this to load, and you can then go to the top left and you can go and press filters. Go down and press categories and you can go and press your videos you've watched down here. This will then go and load them. So you can then go through the list and you can check them. If you want to go and clear them all, press the clear button at the top. If it's just one of them, you can go and press the three dots to the right and you can then go and press delete like so, and it'll be gone. So that's the first way, but if you go and tap on them, you can't go and replay them. If you want to replay the videos you've watched and watch them again on Facebook, you need to go to the bottom or top and find the option for Reels, and you can then tap there. Go to the top right and press the search icon, which is the magnifying glass. Then it will say Reels you've watched, and you can press see all to the right, and then they'll go and load, and here they are. So if you want to go and rewatch one of these, what you can do is go and click on it and you'll be taken there, but you can't go and delete it from here. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.